Hey guys, what's up? Eli here. In this video, I'm going to explain why it is so important and why it is a must that you run a Google Ads campaign alongside any other paid advertising that you're doing, whether that's Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, Snapchat ads, whatever advertising platforms you're using, to make sure you are using Google Ads alongside. This especially relates to drop shipping. This video really applies to people who are scaling a product, maybe have a bit of traction, a bit of momentum. Even if you're not at that point yet, please watch this video because it is going to be really helpful once you hit that point. Okay, you're going to want to know this because it's going to save you and probably make you money too. What is Google Ad? Just to start with, we'll keep things very simple. What is a Google Ad? We're going to be looking at Snow Teeth Whitening, which is a fantastic brand, a brand that I absolutely love. I love their brand positioning, their angles, their marketing, everything that they've done is fantastic. I've learned so much from them. So that's what we're going to be looking at, Snow Teeth Whitening. So I've typed in up here, Snow Teeth Whitening. I'm using search-based intent, okay? So I've come in here, which a lot of people do. A lot of people type in Snow Teeth Whitening or whatever the brand is that they're looking for. And then what appears is, we see some other ads up here, but we also see a text-based ad here, okay, which is trysnow.com, and that is Snow's brand that is going to send us to their website. This is taking up real estate at the top of the page. Everybody can see it. When somebody types in Snow Teeth Whitening, this is going to appear and it is going to be very easy to see, and as a result, people are going to click on it, okay, which is going to bring more traffic to their website and, make them more sales. How this relates to drop shipping. Understand that if you're just doing drop shipping from AliExpress, Alibaba, pretty much anywhere that the product isn't unique, whatever it is that you are doing can be very easily replicated. I know this from personal experience. I've had people rip my entire websites. I've had people rip my product pages word for word. They've just cloned my exact business. And really it can be done quickly, okay? But I know because I could do it to somebody else. I could very easily replicate somebody else's business model in a day. And people have done it to me. Understand what you have isn't that unique. And once you understand that, that's when things you need to be a little bit more careful. When you are getting traction, you're getting momentum, you're getting sales, it's very easy for somebody who's experienced to see that you are doing well. So what happens is you're doing well, you're getting traction, you're getting sales. These people will take your website, they'll run it as their own, they will try and make the product work for them. Understand as well, when you're sending a lot of traffic to your website, obviously not many people will buy, okay? Your store will get between a 1 to probably 4% conversion rate, and you're gonna get a lot of people bouncing. That doesn't mean these people won't search for you on Google, okay? These people might go away and they might look for your brand on Google, just like we've done here with Snow Teeth Whitening. Or they might look for your brand with reviews, okay? And they might look for all these things, and then if they're interested enough, then they'll come back and buy it from your store. This is where it gets important, is that if you don't have Google Ads running, somebody else can bid on your keyword. For example, a store that I used to run was called Dog Packet, okay? Dogpacket.com. It was one of the first drop shipping stores that I ever did. It was called Dog Packet. I never ran Google Ads, and then I did well with one product, and then I found when I was typing in Dog Packet into the search bar that somebody was bidding on Dog Packet and sending people to their website. They were pretending to be my store when in fact they weren't. If you bid on your own keywords, so you do a branded search, so whenever somebody types in your brand name, your ad will come up. That's really all you need to really just lock down that extra bit of security, that you're not going to have these people come in and try and hijack and try and leech off what you are doing, okay? Because this happens all the time. I am constantly, probably once every week, once every 2 weeks, I will be looking at, I'll just type my brand name into Google and just see if any people are trying to hijack my traffic. And if they are, I will send them a DMCA, which is a warning that they need to take it down, or else I'm going to, take legal action. I'm going to contact Shopify, get them shut down. Okay, and that's really, so it's really important because people are going to come and try and hijack and try and take a piece of the pie of what it is that you're doing. Okay, they're going to see that you're successful, they're going to replicate it, and then they're going to try and intercept a lot of search traffic. If you are bidding on your brand name, then your brand name, because you have that authority in your domain name, it's going to appear up the top just like Snows has. Okay, you also want to keep a lookout for some of the ones that aren't ads, and just see if people are trying to use SEO to try and pretend that they're your brand as well, which means there might be here something saying it's your brand, but it's not your brand. It's sending somebody to another site completely. You can also DMCA them for that as well because they're using your brand name. I hope I haven't confused too many of you, but really if you're running a lot of traffic, you want to be doing a brand name, using Google Ads, you want to have brand name awareness. So if somebody types in your brand name up the top, your ad will appear, and that way it's less likely that you're going to have people come in and try and put their ad where your ad should be. Because if your ad's there, their ad can't go there, okay? But if your ad's not there, then they can bid on it and they will start filtering out and siphoning your traffic, okay? So be very aware of this because it's happened to me a lot. And at scale, this happens because people see you're doing well. They will try and come in, replicate it, and take some of the traffic, especially the search traffic, from away from you. And that's just revenue that you're losing. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope this has helped you. I hope it hasn't confused you too much. Understand you just need Google Ads to be running alongside paid ads, especially when your paid ads are doing well. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you got a lot of value out of it. If you need any help at all building, growing, or scaling, or even setting up some Google Ads for your e-commerce business, simply click the link that's below this video, schedule a call with me. We can talk about your business, how we can work together to move your business forward. That's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.